In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images to your email in Klaviyo. Whether you're designing an email campaign or just sprucing up your templates, adding a background image can provide your communications with a vibrant, personalized touch. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, to start this journey, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Klaviyo's website by typing in www.klaviyo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy so you can proceed without any hiccups. Upon logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a panel. Here, you'll want to locate the option labeled Content. This area is where all the magic will happen, as it houses the tools you'll use to enhance your emails. Next, click on Templates. This is where you can either select an existing template to modify or create a fresh one, depending entirely on your needs. If you need a new template, simply hit the Create button and you'll be all set to personalize your email layout. After you've made your selection or created a new template, the next crucial step is to click on Styles. It's under this section that you'll be able to add your custom background image. As you explore the Styles tab, you'll want to focus on finding the Background section. Here, a plethora of options will be available for giving your email that unique backdrop you've envisioned. To bring your vision to life, click the plus button to initiate adding your image. This will prompt you to Browse Image Library. Here you can either choose an image from the library or upload your own. Select the image that best represents the message and atmosphere you wish to convey. Once your image is uploaded, you'll have the option to tweak how it appears. You can adjust aspects such as the image's size, position, or even its repeat settings to get it just right within the background section. Additionally, altering padding, transparency, or other settings might be necessary to ensure your image complements the email's content without overwhelming it. Now, a few tips to help you optimize your use of background images. It's typically best to choose an image that doesn't contain too much text or a dominant central focus. A lifestyle shot can be quite effective in reflecting your brand's tone or mood. Also, remember to test your email across various email clients and devices to ensure the background image displays correctly. Previewing how your email looks on both mobile and desktop devices is crucial. If your background image doesn't fit well on both formats, consider creating separate sections for desktop and mobile versions. With these tips in mind, you can confidently add stylish backgrounds to your emails, setting the perfect tone and enhancing engagement with your audience.